What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. Today we're talking about some iPhone 14 leaks that recently came out, and it looks like it's kind of the same theme throughout. So I would say it's safe to say that it might look something similar to this, but don't hold me to that because obviously it could change. But with Apple's history, it could very well be these leaks. So we're gonna get into that, but without any further ado, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps the channel out, and if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. I definitely appreciate it. So the iPhone 14, kind of looking pretty similar to the iPhone 4. So it makes kind of sense, 14, 4, if you want to, stretch it that far and go that route. But it looks like all the cameras are recessed within the phone, which is pretty cool. I mean, it still has that boxy look that I'm particularly fond of, but if you're not into that, sorry. But like I said, this is just a leak, so it could very well not be the one. But if you swing over to cnet.com, they have a breakdown of what they think the prices might be for the iPhone 14 just based off of the iPhone 13. So you can see they're pretty much offering the same storage, 128, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte. And you're gonna have the iPhone 14, the Max, Pro, and Pro Max. And the pricing looks pretty similar and spot on to what the 13 came out as. So, I mean, it's kind of a safe bet. If you put exactly what the iPhone 13 was priced at, you're probably gonna be in the ballpark of what the iPhone 14 is gonna be. So let's swing over to see what it actually looks like. All right, so here's one render of the phone, which looks pretty similar to all of the other renders I have seen so far. It's kind of crazy to think that we're getting leaks already and the iPhone 13 just came out. That's crazy. But you can see it still has that flat but rounded edges. But actually two big differences that you see, well, maybe three if you really care about this, but the notch at the top, it looks like it's been dwindled all the way down to a hole punch. How this will work with Face ID, I'm not sure, but if anyone will figure that out, I'm pretty sure Apple will. But if they reduce the notch and it's only a hole punch, but it still has the security and those features of that Face ID, I'm definitely a big fan of it. More real estate for the screen, the better. And then also, as you can see, the cameras are recessed. It's kind of resembling that iPhone 4 look, which I'm a fan of, but at the same token, I don't like the fact that it's being recycled. I want tech to be innovative and being pushed to its limits. So if you're just recycling ideas that have worked in the past, I'm not a big fan of that, but nevertheless, the iPhone 4 design did look pretty sweet. And as you can see also, the volume up and down rocker on the side are now slim little flat circles instead of the kind of elongated buttons that they're usually having on there. But that's just some of the leaks that I've seen so far. Like I said, I've been seeing these similar leaks and renders everywhere, and it seems like all of the outlets that are pushing these are showing the similar thing. And I don't want to be someone who's just, following the bandwagon. I just kind of want to show you guys and give you guys a glimpse of what it could look like and what people are talking about, but in no way, shape, or form am I saying for sure 100% seal it, deliver it, that this is what the iPhone 14 looks like. But in Gould's Gaming and Tech, we're going to upgrade to that phone anyway. But as always, thank you guys for tuning in. I want to keep this video short and sweet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.